Hey there, textile enthusiasts. Ever wonder how the art of textile printing evolved? Let's take a journey through the ages, from ancient flax to the digital revolution. Our story begins in 5000 BC along the Nile in Egypt. Early Egyptian cultures used flax to create linen-like fabrics. They were masters of weaving, and linen became a staple in their daily lives. Fast forward to 3000 BC in India and Peru. Cotton was being produced simultaneously in these two almost disconnected parts of the prehistoric world. It's amazing how similar innovations can spring up independently. By 2640 BC in China, silk was first cultivated and woven. By 1400 BC, silk production in China was at its peak. The Silk Road would eventually spread this luxurious fabric far and wide. Around 2000 BC in Peru, people used clay cylinders to print border patterns. This early form of printing was quite ingenious. In 1500 BC in Mexico and Peru, techniques like tie-dyeing, batik, and block printing were developed. They even perfected a finish for glazing cotton fabrics. The creativity was boundless. By 450 BC, in Greece, animal figures were painted on clothing using pigment dyes. Imagine wearing a tunic adorned with lions or eagles. Between 500 and 600 in Persia, patterned cloth was printed in red, black, and powdered gold. Talk about adding a touch of luxury to everyday fabrics. Moving to 1100 in Europe, fabric printing was done at various levels simultaneously in several countries. This period laid the groundwork for future textile innovations. From 1300 to 1600 in Europe, the era of great weaving flourished. However, fabric printing declined during this time as weaving techniques like tapestry, damask, and silk embroidery took center stage. By 1676 to 1771 in Europe, cloth printing works started booming in England, Holland, Germany, Switzerland, France, Ireland, and Scotland. The factory at Jouy, France, founded by Oberkampf in 1759, became famous for its toile de Jouy fabrics. In the 17th century, European companies began trading with Asian countries, importing hand-painted designs from India known as calicos and chintz. These fabrics were in high demand and influenced European textile design. In 1712 in the US, George Leeson established the Calico Printing Works in Boston. Over the next 150 years, more than 70 print works were established throughout Europe and the Atlantic States. By 1785 in England, industrialized roller printing was developed. This technique revolutionized textiles. In the early 1900s in England, William Morris's designs became popular for printing fabrics and wallpaper in the Art Nouveau style. He is considered the forerunner of modern textile design. Also in the early 1900s, screen printing was useful for cloth integration. The age of synthetic chemical fibers began in 1929 with the introduction of rayon as silk production. This innovation opened up new possibilities for textile design. Today, digital techniques provide exciting new possibilities for print design. The digital revolution is considered far more significant than the invention of writing and printing. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the ages of textile printing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fabric. Until next time.